terug, maats. Welcome back, everybody. Vandag gaan ons leer oor kleure. We are going to learn about colors. In Afrikaans, we say kleure. I'm going to show you a color, and I'm going to say the word in Afrikaans, and then you repeat the word after me. Are you ready? Now sit up straight and pay attention. Rooi. Rooi. That means red. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is rooi. Blauw. Blauw. That means blue. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is blauw. Geel. Geel. That is yellow. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is geel. Groen. Groen. That means green. Now repeat after me. Dit is groen. Oranje. Oranje. That means orange. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is oranje. Paars. Paars. That means purple. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is paars. Swart. Swart. That means black. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is swart. Wit. Wit. That means white. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is wit. Bruin. Bruin. That means brown. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is bruin. Pink. Pink. That means pink. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is pink. Grys. Grys. That means grey. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is grys. Well done, everybody. I'm going to play a little game with you. I'm going to show you two colors, and then I'm going to say the name of one of the colors, and you must show me which one it is. Are you ready? Here we go. Wys vir my rooi. Show me rooi. Baie mooi. Wys vir my geel. Did you get that right? Well done. Wys vir my groen. Baie mooi. Ai, julle is slim hoor. Wys vir my swart. Baie mooi, well done. Wys vir my bruin. Well done, baie mooi maats. We are going to play another game now. I'm going to show you a color and you must say the name of the color in Afrikaans. Are you ready? Here we go. Ja, dit is geel. Ja, dit is pink. Ja, dit is groen. Ja, dit is bruin. Jy's reg, dit is blou. Thank you, my sweetest little ones. You were fantastic. I see that you now know your colours in Afrikaans. Baie mooi maats, julle het goed gedoen. Baie dankie dat julle gekyk het. And thank you for watching. Next time we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, please be safe, listen to your teacher, listen to your parents and take care. Bye.